We will now hear introductions to our nominees. First is Senator Reed of Rhode Island, who's here to introduce Judge DuBose.
Well, thank you very much, Chairman Durbin, and to all distinguished committee members. I am honored to introduce an outstanding jurist, the Honorable Melissa R. DuBose, the nominee for the United States District Court of the District of Rhode Island. Together, Senator Whitehouse and I were proud to recommend her to President Biden for this appointment to serve on the federal bench. Today, Judge DuBose is joined by her family, her partner Amy, and her sons Cameron and Wyatt, also her niece and her sister, I believe. I know they're proud to be witnessing this moment. Judge DuBose is exceptionally qualified, possessing a wealth of experience and a strong legal background. I'm confident she will serve Rhode Island and the American people with honor and distinction. She has proven herself to be someone who administers justice fairly and impartially and has led efforts to make the court system work better for everyone it serves. She would be an admirable successor to Judge William Smith, who is taking senior status. He served for 2 decades and is a model of professionalism and integrity. Judge DuBose was born and raised on the east side of Providence and went on to earn her undergraduate teaching certificate and degree from Providence College. She taught history and civics in Providence Public Schools for a decade, which is probably the best preparation to be a judge you can ever think of. Her desire to make the community safer and more just for all, especially her students, inspired her to pursue a legal career. After earning her J.D. from Roger Williams University School of Law, she joined the State Attorney General's office, where she worked in the juvenile division before moving on to criminal arraignments and violation hearings. She then worked for a decade as a corporate counsel for a Fortune Global 500 company called Schneider Electric, with a broad portfolio covering compliance, ethics, and trade. In 2019, then Governor Gina Raimondo, now Secretary of Commerce Gina Raimondo, appointed her to the state-level Rhode Island District Court. Judge DuBose is ready and qualified for this position. She has over 18 years of legal experience in both the public and private sector as an attorney and a judge, and with both criminal and civil cases in Rhode Island's busiest court. Rhode Island's legal community has united behind her with strong endorsements. All 5 of the current sitting judges in the Federal District Court have expressed their wholehearted support for her confirmation. In their words, Melissa is the daughter of Providence. She grew up here, worked here, studied here, brought up her family here, lawyered here, and now judges here. Melissa is an outstanding choice to join the federal bench. She is supremely qualified, her ethics are impeccable, and her temperament is judicious. The Rhode Island police chiefs have also endorsed her, noting that Judge DuBose has developed a reputation for being forthright and committed to ensuring that all are afforded due process. She is passionate about wanting Rhode Islanders to have trust in the legal system, a value that all members of law enforcement share. Let me conclude by congratulating Judge DuBose for her sterling accomplishments and thanking the committee for the opportunity to introduce her today, and I certainly urge her confirmation. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.